Hello, welcome back to my channel. Um, I reached 250 followers on YouTube, so thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel. I have one unboxing for this video, and I'm doing a giveaway. Notice that this is only for people in the not in the USA, but in Europe. When I hit more followers, I'll do international, so everyone can join me. But for now, it's just Europe. So I'm gonna do the unboxing first, and after that, I'm gonna tell you how you can join the giveaway. So this is a painting that I ordered 3 months ago, and I just received it a couple days ago. Yeah, they are a bit slow, but it's not their fault with COVID. So it's a beautiful horse, a 40 by 30, 19 colors. Here I have the number and symbol, and on the other side I have my symbol and my DMC codes. So this is the painting. It's really clear, so that should be no problem. No need for a tray. The inventory sheet is in there, so that's awesome. And it's packed like this, so they are all separate. I do not really like that, but yeah. So how many colors? 19 colors, which is so many, but as you can see, there are all really dark colors in there. Some lighter colors for the background. So that is the beautiful horse. Like I say, this painting I ordered like 3 months ago. So I am looking for that painting that I want to do a giveaway about. Yeah, that's this one. So the picture that I'm giving away is a beautiful dog. It's a 30 by 40 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's a 30 by 40. So it's a square drill. I'm sorry for my cat that you hear in the background, but yeah, he is singing for all of you. I don't know what my tablet is doing, but okay. So in order for winning this one, you have to live in Europe. You need to be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and in the comments below, if you want to join the giveaway, just write where you live, so I know it's in Europe. If you like the picture, if you like square or round, because this is a square, but if you don't really like squares, I can find another picture with a round. So I'm going to do a round and a square picture. So I'm looking for the right picture. I can't find one right now. How hard can it be to find a picture? I want a 30 by 40, so everyone has the. Oh yeah, I'm going to do this one. So this is a square. So put in the comments what you like, if you like the round or the square, and the winner will get the round. So this is the round one. It's also a 40 by 30. So it's the same size or the other one, just that this one is a round. What else? If you want to join, just put a comment below, like this video. You have to be subscribed to my channel. I will check if you are, and if you like the video. And then also write if you want the round painting or the square. So these are the two options, and I will put all the names that will join the giveaway. I will write them down and put them in a box or something and draw one out, and then this person have to contact me. I'm going to do the giveaway for maybe a week, so maybe until, no, not maybe a week, until the end of this week. So we are, what day are we? So we are Thursday. So I'm gonna leave the giveaway until Sunday evening, my time, so European time. And yeah, everyone will get a chance if you live in Europe. And yeah, so don't forget to put all the requires in the comments below. And yeah, I'm gonna have by Sunday, on Sunday I will do the drawing on camera. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it live, so yeah, stay tuned for that, so you can win an awesome painting. And I hope to see you in the giveaway. Bye!